Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work in this tutorial. As you can see here, this is the front side and this is the back side of the job. For the pattern, what you need is multiple of 8 stitches plus extra 6 stitch and plus 2 stitches for edge. What we have to do for the first row and right side of the work, we are going to pull all stitches like that. Pull all stitches. For row 2, what we have to do, we are going to knit all stitches like this. Now we are going to start the pattern in row 3. What we have to do, we take the first one, then we knit 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2, 4, 6. Then we take the yarn in front and we skip 2 stitches like that. We repeat by knit 6 stitches, like that, and we take the yarn in front and we skip 2 stitches. Repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The last stitches as a edge. Row 4. Take the first one, then we pull 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. When it comes in these 2, we take the yarn back side and we skip 1 and 2. Repeat again by pull 6. When it comes to these 2, skip. Like this. Row 5 and 6, we repeat exactly like row 3 and 4. It means that knit 6, slip 2 stitches, knit 6, the next row pull 6, slip 2 stitches. We do it 2 more times and I'll be back. Row 7 again is repeat by knit 6, comes here, slip 2 stitches, again knit 6, slip 2 stitches and knit 6. As you can see here in this part, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the tips. If you forgot how many rows you have. If you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it means that you are in row 8, 9. For row 8, what we have to do, we are going like row 1, pull all stitches. These two also we are going to pull exactly like row 1. Pull all stitches. And you are now on the wrong side of the work. Row 9, we pull all stitches again. As you can see here, now we are on the right side of the work. This is going to be exactly like row 1. Again, pull all stitches like that. And for row 10, what we have to do, like row 2, we are going to knit all the stitches like this. I'll do that and I'll be back. As you can see here, the pattern starts like this. Now it's time to change the position of the pattern in the middle of that in each row. The third row is gonna be again like the one we made. So what we have to do in row 11, because we are going to change the position, what we have to do is we take the first one as the edge, then we knit 2 stitches, then we take the yarn in front and we slip 2 stitches, repeat the pattern by 6 stitches, and again we slip 2, knit 6 again, slip 2 stitches, and the last 2 we are going to knit and the one as an edge. Now it's time to repeat that one 5 more times. It means that for the next row, take the first one, pull 2 stitches. When it comes to that one, slip these 2 and pull 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip these 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, like this. I'm going to repeat that one until I have 5 of these stitches between. Here again, as you can see here, I have 5 rows of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means that we are going to, on the wrong side of the work, we are going to pull all stitches. We're going to make a setup row for change the position of the job. So we are going to pull all stitch. Next row we are going also to pull all stitches. Next row again, pull all stitches, and like this. And row back side we are going to knit all stitches. As you can see here, for the next row I'm going to knit all stitches, and the pattern should look like that. Now it's time to start again like row 3, the pattern like here. It means that take the first one, knit 6 stitches, slip 2, knit 6 stitch, and repeat row 1 to row 10 here. Then after that you are going to change the position again. If you keep continue the pattern and repeat, your pattern should look like that. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.